Greetings everyone, David J. Coon with Qigong Awareness. I want to share with you a new habit for this new year, 2021, 21-day Qigong challenge. 10 minutes a day keeps the doctor away. That's what I always say. Bella?
Hi, I'm Bella, his daughter. Nice to meet you guys. We're really excited to have you guys taking this course. I think it's a great course and it really helps you to be happy and, you know, it's a new year, so
How many exercises are they going to learn?
They're going to learn 9 new exercises, which is very exciting. And kids can take this too. I mean, anybody can take it.
And is it going to be the same all the time? The same boring routine? Or are we going to mix it up?
No, it's going to be different. Just like Boggle. They always say with the game Boggle, they're like, never get the same game twice, so...
That's right. We're going to mix some of it up. Have fun with it.
Yes. Enjoy, you guys.
Here, you sort of turn your gaze upward, look to the horizon, like the sun there, rising at the horizon, and we sink. We draw again, slow, pulling from the ground. Reaching, spread it out, inner smile to the kidneys.